How to Grow Lilacs, a comprehensive guide. Lilacs, Syringa, are beloved flowering shrubs known for their fragrant and colorful blooms. These deciduous plants are a classic addition to gardens, providing beauty and elegance with their clusters of flowers and lush green foliage. Here's a comprehensive guide on how to grow and care for lilacs in your garden. Understanding lilacs. Varieties. There are various lilac species and hybrids, each with its unique characteristics. Common lilac varieties include Syringa vulgaris, common lilac, Syringa patula, Manchurian lilac, and Syringa × hyacinthiflora, early flowering lilacs. Flowers. Lilac flowers form in large, showy clusters known as panicles. The colors range from shades of purple and lavender to pink and white. The fragrance of lilac blooms is distinctive and adds to their appeal. Foliage. Lilac leaves are typically heart-shaped and dark green. The foliage provides an attractive backdrop to the vibrant flowers. Planting lilacs. Selecting a location. Sunlight. Lilacs prefer full sunlight for at least 6 hours a day. Choose a location with plenty of sunlight for optimal flowering. Soil. Lilacs thrive in well-draining soil with a slightly alkaline to neutral pH. Amending the soil with organic matter like compost improves fertility and drainage. Planting lilacs. Timing. The best time to plant lilacs is in the fall, allowing the roots to establish before winter. Spring planting is also suitable. Planting depth. When planting a container-grown lilac, ensure it is planted at the same depth as it was in the container. For bare root plants, position the plant so that the graft union, if present, is just below the soil surface. Spacing. Space lilac shrubs according to their mature size, generally 5 to 15 feet apart depending on the variety. Watering. Keep the soil consistently moist, especially during the first growing season. Once established, lilacs are relatively drought-tolerant but benefit from regular watering during dry periods. Caring for lilacs. Fertilization. Lilacs don't require heavy fertilization. In late winter or early spring, apply a balanced fertilizer or a fertilizer formulated for woody plants. Pruning. Regular pruning is essential for maintaining the shape and promoting healthy growth. Prune lilacs after flowering, removing spent blooms and any dead or crossing branches. Thinning out some older wood encourages new growth and enhances air circulation. Mulching. Apply a layer of mulch around the base of lilacs to retain soil moisture, suppress weeds, and regulate soil temperature. Disease management. Lilacs can be susceptible to powdery mildew and bacterial blight. To prevent these diseases, provide good air circulation through proper spacing and avoid overhead watering. Propagation. Lilacs can be propagated through various methods, including seed germination, suckering, and cuttings. Propagation is typically done in the late spring or early summer. Common issues and solutions. Poor flowering. Lack of sunlight or improper pruning can reduce flowering. Ensure adequate sunlight and prune only when necessary. Powdery mildew. Improve air circulation, water at the base of the plant, and apply fungicides as a preventive measure. Suckering. Lilacs are prone to forming suckers. Regularly remove these to prevent overcrowding. Growing lilacs can be a rewarding experience, bringing beauty and fragrance to your garden. With the right care, lilacs can thrive and become a stunning focal point in your landscape. Incorporate these timeless shrubs into your garden, and enjoy the burst of color and fragrance they bring each spring. Happy gardening!